Just come for a drive out to Cape Liptrap Lighthouse. The kids are asleep in the car, so I've left Simon there and I get to come out by myself, but it looks really, really cool out here. We just got back to the car and the kids were awake, so Simon's taken Ando down to have a look at the lighthouse, so he'll love that. But yeah, Cape Liptrap Lighthouse, some really, really cool coastline to see. It's in South Gippsland, so it is really windy because it's the south coast. But yeah, it's not far from Wilson's prom, so if you are going to Wilson's prom for the weekend, it's definitely worth coming out for a drive to Cape Liptrap Lighthouse.